Have you ever wondered why Australia is home to some of the most unique species on Earth? Welcome to the land down under, a continent that's been geographically isolated for more than 80 million years, creating a natural world that's distinctively its own. This isolation, along with the vastness of the Australian continent and the diversity of its climates, has given rise to a range of habitats, each with its own collection of remarkable flora and fauna. Imagine a place where trees tower as tall as skyscrapers, forming a lush canopy that shelters a vibrant array of life. That's the Australian rainforest for you, a treasure trove of biodiversity where the air buzzes with the songs of exotic birds and the rustling of unseen creatures. But Australia isn't all about the green and the wet. Venture inland, and you'll find yourself in a completely different world. The arid heart of Australia, the Outback, is a land of extremes. Here, the sun blazes down on the red sand and water is scarce. You'd think it's a barren wasteland, but look closer. Amidst the harshness, life thrives in surprising ways. The kangaroo rat springs across the sand, the thorny devil lizard basks in the sun, and the ghost gum stands as a testament to resilience. From the temperate kelp forests of Tasmania to the tropical reefs of Queensland, Australia's marine environments are just as diverse. Beneath the waves, a kaleidoscope of life unfolds. Coral reefs teem with a spectrum of fish, while the southern seas are home to the enigmatic weedy sea dragon. The Australian continent is a mosaic of habitats, each a world unto itself, each brimming with life that exists nowhere else on Earth. The isolation, the extremes of landscape and climate, all have played a part in shaping this extraordinary biodiversity. Australia, a continent of extremes, is a wildlife wonderland like no other. Did you know that Australia is the kingdom of marsupials? This isn't an overstatement, folks. Australia is home to a remarkable variety of marsupials. Marsupials are a group of mammals that set themselves apart by giving birth to their young when they are still in a very undeveloped state. From the iconic kangaroo that hops across the vast Australian plains, to the cuddly koala snoozing away in eucalyptus trees, and the elusive Tasmanian devil lurking in the shadows, marsupials have adapted to the diverse environments across Australia in a myriad of fascinating ways. Imagine an animal kingdom where the babies are born so tiny they could fit on a teaspoon. These minute creatures then journey into their mother's pouch to continue their development in a safe and nurturing environment. This unique reproductive method gives marsupials a distinct evolutionary edge, allowing them to thrive in Australia's sometimes harsh and unpredictable landscape. Whether it's the numbat, with its diet solely consisting of termites, or the sugar glider, capable of soaring through the air with the greatest of ease, marsupials have evolved to fill a wide range of ecological niches. Each species has its own unique adaptations that allow them to survive and flourish in their chosen habitats. Indeed, marsupials rule the Australian outback in a way no other mammals do. Their story is a testament to the wonders of evolution and the extraordinary diversity of life that exists in this remarkable continent. Ever heard of the world's deadliest creatures residing in Australia? Well, it's true. Australia is home to some of the most dangerous animals on the planet, but don't let that scare you away. These creatures are fascinating examples of evolution and survival. Let's start with the box jellyfish, also known as the sea wasp. This gelatinous creature is as beautiful as it is deadly. Its tentacles, which can reach up to 10 feet in length, are lined with thousands of cells called cnidocytes. Inside these cells are tiny harpoons filled with venom, ready to fire at a moment's notice. This venom is powerful enough to stop a human heart within minutes. But remember, the box jellyfish isn't out to get you. Its venomous tentacles evolved as a defense mechanism against predators and a tool for catching prey. Next, we have the saltwater crocodile, the largest living reptile on Earth. These ancient beasts have been around for over 200 million years, surviving the extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs. Their success can be attributed to their incredible strength and adaptability. A fully grown saltwater crocodile can take down anything that crosses its path, from water buffalo to sharks. But again, they're not mindless killers. They are apex predators that play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. And lastly, the Sydney funnel web spider. These arachnids are renowned for their potent venom. A bite from a Sydney funnel web can be lethal if not treated promptly. But why such potent venom? Well, it's all about survival. In the wild, these spiders face numerous threats, and their venom serves as a powerful deterrent to potential predators. Despite their deadly reputation, these creatures are an integral part of Australia's unique ecosystem. They're not villains, they're survivors, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of life. So the next time you think about Australia's dangerous wildlife, remember, they're not out to get you. They're just trying to survive, just like the rest of us. Are you aware that Australia is a birdwatcher's paradise? Nowhere else on Earth can you find such a diverse array of avian species, each with their own unique charm. From the vibrant parrots painting the sky with their dazzling hues, to the peculiar emu, standing tall and proud, Australia's birds are truly a sight to behold. Journey with us as we explore the lives of these winged wonders. In the heart of the Australian wilderness, they play pivotal roles in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. They are pollinators, seed dispersers, and even pest controllers. Their behaviors, too, are nothing short of fascinating. Take the superb lyrebird, for instance, renowned for its extraordinary ability to mimic a variety of sounds. Yet these avian marvels face numerous threats. Habitat destruction, climate change, and invasive species are just some of the challenges they have to contend with. The orange-bellied parrot, once a common sight, is now critically endangered with fewer than 50 birds thought to be living in the wild. It's a stark reminder of the urgent need for conservation. But despite the odds, Australia's birds continue to thrive, their resilience as inspiring as their beauty. From the laughing kookaburra, with its distinctive call echoing through the bush, to the elusive night parrot, hidden away in the arid outback, each bird tells a unique story of survival and adaptation. These winged wonders truly add color and life to the Australian wilderness. But what is being done to protect Australia's unique wildlife? As we marvel at the richness of Australia's biodiversity, it's crucial to delve into the efforts being made to safeguard this natural treasure. With threats like habitat destruction, climate change, and invasive species looming, conservation has never been more important. Firstly, habitat protection takes center stage. Various organizations and governmental bodies are working tirelessly to protect and restore Australia's diverse ecosystems. From the lush rainforests of Queensland to the arid expanses of the outback, these initiatives are preserving habitats that are home to some of the world's most unique species. Next, we delve into species recovery programs. These targeted efforts focus on species that are critically endangered or at high risk of extinction. Through breeding programs, habitat restoration, and rigorous scientific research, these programs are striving to bolster the populations of Australia's most vulnerable creatures. The Tasmanian devil, for instance, has seen a resurgence thanks to these dedicated efforts. And let's not forget about wildlife rehabilitation centers. These sanctuaries provide critical care for injured, orphaned, or sick wildlife. They nurse these animals back to health and, whenever possible, release them back into their natural habitats. These centers are not just about immediate care. They also play a pivotal role in educating the public about the importance of conservation and how to coexist harmoniously with wildlife. In essence, these conservation efforts are not just about protecting individual species. They're about preserving the intricate web of life that makes Australia's biodiversity so unique and fascinating. It's about safeguarding the future of these ecosystems and the life they sustain. From the tiniest insects to the largest marsupials, every creature plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of these ecosystems. Remember, conservation isn't a task for a select few. We all have a part to play, whether it's supporting conservation organizations, advocating for stronger environmental policies, or simply being mindful of our interactions with wildlife. Every conservation effort counts in ensuring the survival of Australia's unique wildlife. So let's cherish and protect this incredible natural treasure for generations to come. What a journey it has been, hasn't it? We've ventured through Australia's vibrant tapestry of life, marveling at its unique biodiversity. A land where marsupials reign supreme, their pouches nurturing the next generation of kangaroos, wombats, and koalas. We dared to glimpse at some of the world's deadliest creatures, their lethal beauty a stark reminder of the fine line between awe and danger. We've soared with the birds of paradise, their dazzling plumage painting the sky with every hue imaginable. And amid all the natural splendor, we've borne witness to the tireless conservation efforts striving to safeguard this Eden. From the smallest insect to the largest kangaroo, every creature plays a vital role in Australia's ecological symphony. As we conclude our journey, let's remember, Australia's wildlife is as diverse and fascinating as the continent itself, a testament to the wonders of evolution and the importance of conservation.